forgot about this one cabinet.
You don't know where that missing piece is, huh? Dang.
Lost it on an airplane.
Man, that stinks, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool little set.
It's a great set, and it's as a child when I was flying from Seattle, Washington to Taipei, Taiwan.
Uh-huh.
On the way back, got that set, played with it on the airplane, and lost that.
Oh my, how long ago was that?
69.
What, this, okay, this is from,
The 469.
what, 31? Is that close to 50 years? Is that 50 years? I guess it is.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
How much you want for this?
Buck.
Done. Man, I hate that it's missing that piece. Jeez.
And I don't know any way to get that piece.
I don't think there is. You know, what you gonna do?
I mean, it's even if you got another chest piece from somewhere else, you still got a magnet you got to try to embed in there.
Right. It's kind of doable, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Hey, do you have any more reel-to-reel stuff?
Last yard sale several years ago, we sold the actual deck.
Uh-huh.
That tape we just ran across is the only thing that I have seen.
Okay.
In pieces left of it.
This one's new, huh?
It is.
It looks like it. Yeah,
Never-
look, the
Never been used.
okay.
And that one was just simply blank.
You take this in. Okay. What do you want for these? Like another buck for both?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I found some like old Black Sabbath and stuff last year. Reel to reels.
Oh yeah.
Talk about some good stuff, man.
You interested in this kind of nostalgia too?
But Bill Cosby? Fifth Dimension? Nah, not really. It's somewhat cool.
Bill Cosby with his shenanigans.
Wow.
You ever listen to one of his albums?
No, I haven't.
They're hilarious.
Are they? Yeah. Before he kind of became
Yeah.
the nation's dad, kind of, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, just before that.
Yeah.
But if you get a chance to listen to it, just like online or something, if you can find some,
Yeah.
they're just hilarious.
Okay. Do you have any old computer games or video games or anything like that?
Computer games, I guess they're gone. No, that was the stuff down there. There
Oh,
may
I
be a
see.
CD or so. No, that's all the old stuff.
Well, I mean, I like some old stuff. Depends.
Yeah, you might find an old game in there. Mahjong or something like that.
Do you have any like old Nintendo games or anything?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Never got into that. Or PlayStation even.
Right.
I'm glad somebody's able to use those tapes.
Oh yeah, these are good.
You don't find many people nowadays.
Especially glad to get this one right here, the blank.
Yeah. Try to keep it pristine as long as you can.
Right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I just did it. Oh. It's a nice frame by itself. You baseball fan?
Hmm. Are y'all selling the crates?
Yes.
How much you want for them?
One is 15. You want 2 or more, they're 10 each. some are the little individual squares and some are the big squares.
What do you mean by individual squares?
Like these.
Oh, you mean inside the interior?
Right, the
I got you.
interior. Some are single like that and some are just the 4 square.
Would you do? How many we got? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got 16 of them. 16. Oh, 16 times 6. This is. Can we do 100 for all of them? I don't want the bottles.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Greg, I'm
No, we gotta. No, take your time. Go ahead and take
Okay.
care of you.
all right then.
But yeah, it's a deal though. My wife is gonna be happy with those.
With what?
Those.
Oh, you're getting them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, they're cool.
Well, I'm happy that she'll be happy.
Yeah. Huh? Cool. Huh. It's really cool. How much on this Tom Tom thing y'all looking for?
$3.
All right, you got it. Now I can give you a hand. There's a bunch of bottles over there.
Well, I don't know what we're gonna do with the Coke bottle.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of oh, that's that like
Guy.
yeah, I remember that. Do they still make that? Isn't it like a malt beverage or something?
No.
Yeah, it is. Look,
Vodka.
malt beverage. See that?
Yeah, malt beverage and natural flavors contain vodka.
Yeah. I guess some people probably want those blue bottles, huh? Is that it?
I don't think so.
No. Okay.
But the Cokes, I think.
So it's $7. She's doing 3. Thank you so much. All right, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. I appreciate you stopping. Okay, call me. Okay. I gotta come back. All right.
I
I thought all the cases is 100.
Yeah, and then he
And what is
said
this?
that was $1.
Okay.
I don't know how much that is.
25 cents.
Let's just make it $1 because I don't want to change.
Okay.
Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, and then you said this was 3, so 6,
Okay.
106.
106.
right.
I'm good. 106. And bless you for buying all those crates.
Oh no, I'm glad y'all had them. Works out. Y'all looking to get rid of stuff, I'm looking to buy it. So. Here, double check me, please.
They won't fit.
Whoop.
We don't have enough room.
That's it, sir.
To be able to put
I
them.
know. What's that?
What is it?
These are vintage napkins. Like they look like from the 50s, 60s.
Paper?
Yeah, made in USA. It's $4.
Oh gosh.
It's got like Christmas carols on it and stuff. Yeah. I'd sell it to you, but I'd have to mark it up a little bit.
I wonder if we got this box. This is not in the box. I don't know how much it is. Today, yeah.
Wonder how many times these bottles have been moved over the years.
Oh, you don't even want to know. I'm just glad we sold what we did in Mississippi before we brought them in.
Well, y'all sold some at like a flea market or something like that?
At my family's estate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we did them
you.
before we moved them.
Let me get this before I forget it.
Okay. Thank you.
Got another
so
one.
much.
All right, thank y'all. I appreciate it.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. I did. Y'all have a good day.
You having a garage sale?
It's inside.
Oh, it's inside. Inside, yeah.
Lou.
They've got some stuff inside too.
Oh, okay.
That door, you can leave it open, somebody shut it, it's been open all day.
Gotta get that. These are expensive.
Look, there's little stickers on them. Okay, so you see that thing on the wall over there?
Here.
So it tells you the price. So it's 25 cents.
Is everything for sale?
Pretty much almost everything you see.
Okay. Is that stereo right there? Is that for sale? I'm sorry. What?
Not that. Yeah, it has to stay with the house for the surround system.
Ah. Okay. Gotcha. That makes sense.
That's fine.
Figure that shit.
Yeah, that's fine.
No, I'm God, I hope not. I hope Caitlin don't have any more.
My gosh.
Did I tell you she's at home with Brad now? Her and the 2 babies, and he went and filed for divorce. I mean, Brad went and paid for her to file for divorce. Yeah. Well, I knew it was coming too, I just hope Caitlin sticks with it.
If you're really interested in those, I'll let them go for 20.
I'm not. I'm just amazed, really. My battle axe is in pretty good shape. I don't need a new one.
I've already sold a couple of sword and
Yeah.
those are my brothers. And somehow I inherited those. And I'm like,
I don't know. You watch Game of Thrones any?
I don't.
Oh.
I know what it is and I know about it and stuff, but everybody, I don't know.
If you watch that, you could probably come up with some ideas.
That's a good way to do it if it was on Monday. So,
All right. Do you have any vintage video games or anything like that?
No, my son would, but he ain't selling them.
Right. Okay.
No, unfortunately.
5 cents a can.
Yeah.
That's almost free. How much is this game? Do I have to ask them in there?
Ask my wife, I can't be much.
Yeah.
Ask her, but it was her.
Okay. You didn't look like the decision maker on this.
No, I'm just here to make sure. I don't know why we're selling it for a nickel, but I'm here to make sure nobody runs off with it. But I'm not chasing anybody for a
Are
nickel.
you making sure nobody steals those cans? That's pretty funny.
and I'd rather stay where.
Is that $1?
Sure.
No, I mean, is that what that is right there?
Yes, $1.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
And so he said, I would rather.
Yep. Have a good one, man. Thank you. Don't fall asleep. Watch them cans. You waiting to pay, man? Go ahead, bud. You were standing there.
You only got one item. It may take me off.
It'll take me like 15 seconds, so I appreciate it. At least I hope.
Makes sense.
Did they tell you how much for it?
No.
So do you know how to do it? Or did you do it?
I'm going to try.
So is that, what era would that have been?
70s, probably? Early 70s, I would say.
Yeah. There we go. To get another opinion of how much that was.
That didn't sound good. I may not be buying it.
Well, it's a church thing, so it's not going to be costly.
Okay, cool.
How much do you want to pay?
Like $2.
How about 3?
You got it.
Okay. I'll hand you the money. You can go on your way.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
How's your camera work? Good? You like it?
It's awesome.
What kind
That,
is it?
it's a 7. Black. GoPro Hero 7 Black.
Nice.
It's the battery life sucks, but the image quality is like perfect. Really good. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. All right, guys, there is going to be a part 2 for this video. I hit a few other sales on this day. One other one that was pretty interesting. So, but I'm going to make that a video for another day. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all again tomorrow. Bye-bye.